Mastering adjective placement in English noun phrases. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another episode of our English grammar series. Today, we'll be focusing on adjective placement with noun phrases. This important aspect of grammar can really help your English sound more natural and fluent. So, let's dive in. Before we talk about placing adjectives within noun phrases, it's essential to understand what a noun phrase is. A noun phrase is a word or group of words that function together as a noun. For example, the quick brown fox is a noun phrase, with fox being the core noun, and the quick brown acting as its modifiers. In English, adjectives typically come before the noun they are describing. So, in the noun phrase, the quick brown fox, quick, and brown are adjectives describing fox. We place them before fox to indicate what kind of fox we're talking about, a quick, brown one. But what happens when we have more than one adjective? English speakers usually follow a specific order. Here it is. 1. Quantity or number, e.g., 3, several. 2. Quality or opinion, e.g., beautiful, delicious. 3. Size, e.g., small, large. 4. Age, e.g., old, young. 5. Shape, e.g., round, square. 6. Color, e.g., red, blue. 7. Origin, e.g., French, African. 8. Material, e.g., wooden, plastic. So, for example, you'd say, 3 large old round red French wooden chairs, and not, red wooden 3 French large round old chairs. There are a few exceptions to the rule that adjectives always come before the noun. One of them is when we use adjectives after a linking verb, like be, seem, feel, to describe the subject. For example, the house is big, or the cake tastes delicious. Another exception is when the adjective is part of a prepositional phrase or relative clause. For example, the man with a big nose, or the book that is red. Well, there you have it, friends. We've covered how to correctly place adjectives within noun phrases, even when there's more than one adjective. We've also looked at a few exceptions. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep practicing these rules in your daily conversations and writings, and soon it will become second nature. Until our next lesson, happy learning!